Suppose the aggregators decide that same thing. I go back to the previous slide. It is 360 rupees per 10 kilometer. Now, assume we are in December and the aggregator decides why 360. I will take this to 600 or I will take it to 700 because it is a tourist season. Is that aggregator allowed to do that? Now, I am asking from a consumer's point of view.
No, we will have to keep that also regulated. And I want to also make you also realize that this is just a draft guidelines.
Yes.
And of course, we will be taking a lot of inputs and suggestions. We are aware of the fact that surge pricing is also an issue. And we will put necessary safeguards to ensure that customers are not overcharged during tourist season.
But what you are essentially telling me, sir, is that the earning of the driver cannot come below this.
Correct.
You are saying as far as the surge pricing is concerned, market forces may or may not decide at the end of this exercise. Yes. However, one thing that is an absolute certainty is the earning of the taxi driver.
Correct.
That is not going to come below that. Correct. It can go above this, but it cannot come below this. That is the certainty you are very in clear terms telling us today.
Yes.